Marauders of the 9th Air Force fly over the invasion surface fleet, past the beachhead to strike at enemy concentrations. The Marauders dropped their bombs from 2,000 feet at railroad tracks and scored direct hits. During invasion activities, the B-26s bomb from lower altitudes to increase accuracy. The vicinity of Caen, one of the main enemy strongholds, is heavily bombed. Marauders attack the woods to the rear of the town, which conceal concentrations of enemy troops, vehicles, and tanks. Bombing from 2,000 feet, the B-26s are rocked by the concussion. Early in the morning, Marauders bomb a wooded area south of Caen, which German tanks entered during the night for refueling. Nearby Allied troops were pulled back before the bombing. Target, the railway bridge over the Noiro River. Bombing altitude, again, 2,000 feet. En route back to base, the Marauders pass over the Bay of the Seine, crowded with another invasion fleet.